gonna lie, what's the word, y'all? I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be my first video. What we doing today? I ain't gonna lie, today, my man just bought a car. He bought the car. This shit was fun. The minute we parked that shit on his block, that shit started fucking up. That engine almost exploded. That engine almost exploded. So for me, what we about to do now, I'm about to go try to fix his car. I'm trying to be a mechanic today. I'm gonna DJ the mechanic today, feel me?
What is your gender? My gender? I'm a mechanic.
Feel me? So I'm about to go. I had a what's it called? A OB2D or OBD2D scanner, whatever the fuck that shit called. Feel me? The thing is, we fucking forgot to scan the car when we bought it. So we scanned it after the shit fucked up, like dickheads. So the codes on it was like a P034 and a Nissan. That means sensor. It's a camshaft sensor. Engine was misfiring, not starting, all that extra shit. And I looked inside, it looked a little dirty. So we about to go pick up a camshaft and try to go replace that shit on his car. Hey, bet. We just got to the spot. About to see if they got the part. We need a camshaft sensor, and I think we need a crankshaft position sensor also. What is you screaming for? Why are you screaming? What I do? Oh! Yo. Oh, my fault, gang. You right. My fault. Yeah. What the fuck? I don't think it's gonna be over here. Oh, hold on. I don't know if I still got a ratchet or I gotta buy one. They be taxing for this shit.
Damn!
97 for one, and you need two of them.
Nah, I only one. So we don't have the capacity.
And you need two of them.
Nah, I only one.
Stop the cap.
Only need one? Yeah. Oh, I bet. Let me get that.
Yes.
Damn, nigga, $90, nigga. I'm not rich. That shit better work too, because if that shit do not work, and I just spent $90, bro. Thinking I'm a fucking mechanic, bro. I'm gonna be tight. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm a mechanic.
Secured the fucking loop. I might spin back to the crib and just chill and chill for me. Or I might just go straight there. Let y'all know. Car jack right here, electric car jack. So for me, you can use this for the oil change. Take this with me. We out. I think just unboxed this shit. The car jack I was talking about. Shit came with gloves. Oh, it's lit. This shit gonna come in handy though, for sure. On this spot for me.
Yes,
My son mechanic today. For me, Nah, why you dressed all black like you about to go on a drill, my nigga? Nah, this nigga got the chop. Nah, why you got? Yo, you see how hot it is, gang?
I gotta roll the window up.
Nah, you bugging. I ain't gonna lie. Boys gonna pull us over, bro. You bugging, gang. Got the black Air Forces.
Nah, we good.
Yo, what type of time we on?
Nah, I'm on BT right now.
Alright, bro. I already bought the fucking cam shit.
Oh, the camshaft?
Yeah.
Oh, this is it?
Yeah, right here.
How much you pay for that?
Like a blue.
A blue?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just send you the brand.
Mechanic today, for me. The customer don't gotta worry about the part for me. That's all my job. You know, for me, just trying to tell you, DJ the mechanic, bro. DJ the mechanic. What am I? He just got clean. Like the shit like this is not.
You got it clean, right?
Like, it be inconsistent. One day it might do some shit. Let's see, for me. First thought. Nah, yeah. Fuck that shit. Yeah, for me. We gonna maneuver this though.
See that.
Put this shit up here. Swag. What is sunset? That shit is right. This nigga lots in the game. We need 2 of them shits, bro.
2 of them?
Yeah. It's right here and right here, cause it's mad dirty. Look at that shit.
Oh.
Flashback.
You need 2 of them?
Nah, I only one.
Only need one? Oh, I bet. Let me get that.
Both of them is mad dirty, right?
Battery. Mad dirt, oil.
Yeah, see? I see that.
That's
That's what a camshaft is. Mad dirty and shit.
like.
I jacked that bike. You got a sturdy ass bike, yo. Yeah, this shit clean. Gonna lie. Yeah. It was like that.
Nigga. I know you fucking lying.
You give it a wrong one. Oh, yeah, like that, right? Not fitting, right? You feel you gotta take this one to go show him.
Yeah.
He's going to give you the refund. Because, nigga, he just got that.
Yeah. It's crib game.
Look, you see, it says Pelham Jewish Center.
Oh, this is a Jewish place. I'm telling you, the Jewish niggas got bread game. Oh shit, got that dog shit game. You got that dog shit game.
Look what they doing. Oh my God.
They gonna call the cops on me.
You watch it right there. You're working on the car, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me do it. I know that nothing happen.
Just the one.
Oh, just the one.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Don't worry. I have a 21st in here. I can show on it. Need me. So, me. Number there that you have, they are different brands, but they are supposed to be the same. You know?
It's gonna work, right?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
That dad was not too confident.
No, it's gonna work. Don't mix them up because the brands are different. Just the
Okay, I see.
Nah, it's
You
in the
see?
same color.
Yes, yeah. It's the same thing, but the brand, 2 different brands, right?
Nah, I need a Beamer now. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna run it up.
Niggas gonna run it up, trust me.
We gonna run it
Like,
up.
bro, shit like this, bro, you gotta stop on the bottom, bro. You stop on the bottom, the next thing you know, you got some shit, bro.
Explode. You said P.
Sturdy.
Oh.
Let's go. What do I see? Got a new video. Somebody in the parking right now? Better go secure that spot, man.
That ain't gonna lie for me. Just know, DJ the mechanic. I'm trying to tell you.
Cancel.
I'm trying to tell you, this shit gonna work, bro. This shit gonna turn on and it's gonna be sturdy.
Talk to them.
My agenda. I'm a mechanic.
Oh, we gotta go get gas too. That shit low.
Bro, you gonna sturdy this up. I'm gonna take that.
Look, son. That was clean. You wanna start it?
Started?
Yeah, just start it.
Okay. What the keys at? I'm trying to tell you, gang. I'm with the truth.
I just
gotta get gas. That's the only thing.
Guys, homie. Cold is left. We are probably gonna get the crankshaft, homie.
Crankshaft, right?
Yeah.
Nice. I jack this.
$5 a gallon, bro. Niggas gotta find parking after this. Yo, that premium gas always gonna hurt the pockets, bro. I swear to God. Yo.
Later that same evening.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save